Hey guys, my name's Annabelle and welcome to another video. I've been gone for a while. I don't really feel like I've sat down and given you guys a real overview of what's happening right now, and I've received a lot of questions about what exactly I'm doing and why I'm traveling so much. So about 2.5 weeks ago, I went to Mexico for a Girl Scout related trip to see the monarch butterflies and where they migrate to. I've talked about in the past how Girl Scouts provides these amazing international opportunities that really nobody knows about, but that's really what they do, and the opportunity to connect with people from different countries with different backgrounds and realities is just really an amazing space to be in. And you don't really get that when you travel alone or with family or with friends. So Girl Scouts is really great at giving you the opportunity to connect with people you might not normally connect with unless you really set it up that way. So I was there a week, came home, and I left 3 nights later for Switzerland. Switzerland was also a Girl Scout related trip. I was chosen by Girl Scouts of the USA to represent our organization at the Helen Sturo seminar. So basically what you do there is you learn about how to be a more effective leader, as well as different environmental issues and how they're affecting our various communities and countries. There were 41 of us from about 30 countries, maybe 31 countries, and we all left with projects to implement into our community. The project I left with has to do with creating a documentary about a sustainable lifestyle, I guess. Talking about forest therapy, veganism, downsizing, doing things yourself, and basically just motivating you to live your life in alignment with your moral and ethical values. So that's something I'm going to be working on for the next year about. I've been wanting to do a documentary, but I really hadn't been pushed into such a big project, so I hadn't. But I felt really challenged that week to go beyond what was really comfortable for me, and so that's what I have planned. So I, of course, will fill you guys in and you'll learn more about it as it comes together. Lastly, I am currently in Zakynthos Island in Greece. Yesterday I was in Athens and I went to the Acropolis. Going to be exploring the island, walking around. I'm in the main town right now, and it's going to be raining all week except for Monday, so that's when I'm hoping to go see the amazing Shipwreck Beach. We'll see if I get there or not because of the weather, but regardless, I'm going to have a awesome experience here. This is a completely solo trip. I haven't traveled solo before. I mean, I guess I haven't really gone somewhere and stayed there for a few days by myself. So what you can expect when I get home in about a week, I will be picking up a teardrop trailer to start a teardrop build. I'm hoping I'll have some time to do a little bit of planning while I'm here and really just kind of hash out all the projects that I've been working on, because I feel like I have space while I'm here, even though I am definitely going to be out and about and exploring the area, but I don't really get this space, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. I think that's all I have to share with you. I'm getting to your questions and to your emails. I've seen them, don't worry, and I will respond very soon, I hope. Yeah, that's it. I'm about to head out and explore the town, get some food, and hopefully take some nice footage and get some nice videos. So I'll see you in another video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you